You can be confident that the code generated by the playground is syntactically correct and ready to run. However, you will need a way to transfer your code to Hype or to any other destination you choose. There are two ways to export the code out of the playground. The first and easiest way to export your code is to copy it to the clipboard. There is a special button to do this, here. Using this button ensures that the code formatting and indentation displayed in the code pane is preserved when it comes time to paste this code somewhere else. The second export method saves the JavaScript present in the code pane to an external file that you can subsequently import into a Hype project or into another editor. The button to export code to an external file is here. The file generated by the playground is named playground.js by default and is saved to the downloads directory on your machine. Of course, you can rename or edit this file in any way you choose.